Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to study about the utilization of algae. Algae are mostly occurs in aquatic and marine water forms. They are primary producers of aquatic ecosystem and becomes food for fishes and for human beings. Algae have lot of or many applications in agriculture, industries, medicines, biodiesel production, etc. There are important utilization aspects of algae. First one is utilization of algae in biofuel industry. Microalgae grows extremely rapidly and rich in oil content, therefore used for the production of biodiesel. Examples are Botrycoccus, which contains about 25 to 75% oil content on derivative of Botrycoccus. On derivative of chlorella, there is presence of 28 to 32% of oil content. Therefore, microalgae like Botrycoccus and chlorella are used for the production of biodiesel. Second aspect is utilization of algae in agriculture. As rice crop is inoculated with BGA, that is blue-green algae, crop yield increases. Examples of BGA or blue-green algae are Anabaena oryza, Tolyporthrix tenuis, Calothrix, Conferrucola, nostoc commune, etc. The BGA or blue-green algae converts atmospheric nitrogen into nitrogen which absorbed by higher plants. Due to this, fertility of soil increases up to 25 to 35%. Some algae are used as biofertilizer too. Third aspect is use of algae in pharmaceuticals, as first one is agar-agar, which is used to prevent constipation. Second one is chlorella, which is used for the antibiotic as contain antibiotic chlorelin, which is used against coliforms of bacteria and intestinal tract bacteria. Another one is Nitella, which used for the mosquito control or control of malaria, as it causes the death of mosquito. Next one is Spirulina, which is converts into prostaglandins and lowers the action of BP or blood pressure. Then another aspect is fourth one aspect, that is algae as a food. We know that in countries like Ireland, Scotland, Sweden, North or South America, France, China, Germany and Japan, the algae used as a food, as it contains carbohydrates, proteins, fats and vitamins. Examples are Porphyra, Laminaria and Chlorella. Chlorella is used as a single cell protein, as it consists of all amino acids, vitamin A and C, riboflavin, thiamine, niacin, pyridoxine, folic acid, pantothenic acid and inositol. Geladium gracilaria, this algae produces agar-agar. This agar-agar used to manufacture of ice cream. Spirulina algae, which is used for single cell protein, as it contains proteins up to 70%, carbohydrates 20%, lipids 5%, minerals 7%, etc. It is rich source of beta carotene, thiamine, riboflavin, vitamin B12. This spirulina is available in the form of tablet, powder and capsules. Another aspect is algae as a fodder. Algae like Rhodomania palmate, Alaria esculenta, Laminaria saccharine feed for the sheep and cattle, so they use as a fodder. Another aspect is use of algae in industry. First one, agar-agar industry. It is obtained from red algae like Gelidium nudifrons, Gelidium pusillum, Gracilaria vericosa, etc. This agar-agar is used in various laboratories for the preparation of media. Another one is alginic acid industry. Algin, which is gelatinous substance absorbing water, which is obtained from brown algae, Laminaria, Microcystis, Fucus and Sargassum. It is useful in thickening, stabilizing, emulsifying. Algin used in preparation of shampoos, cosmetics, shaving creams, ice creams and desserts. Therefore, this algin is obtained from algae. Seventh one is algae and space research. In space, whenever there is a space flight, then there is Chlorella paranoidosa is used as a food source in space. Thank you, students.